we know it's a team sport, but at the end of the day, that's my brother, that's my teammate, so I'm gonna support him. You know, and when you think positive, good stuff gonna always
go to
happen. You can't
the
be
mall
selfish
and go
and to think
shop,
of why not me,
asshole.
because at the end of the day, the real story
You can
gonna
slide
always
down
come.
that big
There's a
old hill.
perception out there that he's going to go ahead and talk all the smack that you guys have to back it up. Do you see it that way?
No, I really, if I'm in a foxhole, if I'm by myself, in a dark alley, anywhere, I want Sherm with me. You gotta let guys be them, you know, you gotta let them have their own personality, and that's what makes our team. You know, we know what Sherm's capable of, and we're very confident in ourselves, and we prepare better than anybody else. That's what separates us.
Now, the guy a lot of people don't talk about is Byron Maxwell, who I think has played terrific. I've spent a lot of time watching tape of him. And, of course, he's filling in for Brandon Browner.
Hey!
How important has he
Get
been?
it out of here, you fucking asshole!
He kind of reminds me of the early career of Sherm. You know, Sherm came in, didn't start. He was probably like the fourth string guy on the team. A couple of guys were down, and he got his opportunity. And just like Sherm did his first 5 or 6 games, Maxwell had like 4 picks. You know, that just shows the depth we have here in Seattle and how we take this game very seriously. From the the practice squad guys up to the starters.
Now, you're going to face an offensive football team that has a lot of weapons. They like to spread people out 3 by 1. They'll put a lot of folks up. How do you deal with that? And I know that what you do defensively, it's not exotic. You line up, show people what you're going to play, and you play it.
Right.
So how difficult will it be to match up with all those weapons?
Well, this game of football is difficult. Just talking about it. But obviously.
So some of this needs, if you're like me, you need a little bit of a crutch to help yourself remember the points of the book. So go is
fucking
assholes, and that's our first premise of the book. Our first principle is do the right thing. Ray is spelled R-E. That is realize your potential and help other people realize theirs. Me, which is spelled M-I, is mind your manners. Bob, failure to become fertilizer. Solutions begin with me. Laugh, T, which is spelled T-I. Time is valuable, use it wisely. And that will bring us back to where we started. So, doing the right thing. Because I think everything flows out of that right there. And all those principles can be applied to both our personal and our professional life, as well as our mental health and our physical health.
Well said. Yeah, I like yours better than Julie Andrews.
oh my goodness. No, I wouldn't put myself up there in that category. She's one of my eyes.
That ain't gonna do it, sister.
Well, Donna, what inspired you to write this book?
Well, I am in my 50s. Actually, I'm closing in on the
No, you don't look a day over 39. I can't believe it.
You're such a good liar. Thank you. We're on the radio.
That's the best part about radio, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the nice thing about radio. I'm airbrushed on radio without even trying. No, seriously, I'm in my 50s and just kind of after losing the life I had some experience and had some stories to tell, and was finally, old enough to feel like I had enough sense to put it out there. In addition to the fact that actually my psychiatrist introduced me to my co-author, Dr. Mike Marino, so that should give you a clue as to what I was going through, or some of what I had been through. I've been through some pretty serious mental illness in my time, serious depression, even a suicide attempt in 2008, and it was not successful, thank God.
I'm so glad.
That experience alone.
That would be a long-distance phone call.
Really, prompted me to think, I need to get this out there. How many more people are dealing with these kinds of issues? And there's only one chapter in the book that is dedicated to the whole depression and suicide thing. I don't want folks to think the whole book is about that, because I view the depression issue and the suicide attempt as one chapter in my life, and I've been able to move on from that. But anyway, that is addressed in the book, and it's a very authentic, transparent book, and hopefully folks can learn from some of my experience.
I'm so glad. You know, I love your message because you said it's just one chapter in the book. And so one of the things that we like to ask people, especially when they've been in the spotlight, being a Gatlin, obviously, you know, you've had your fair share of being in the spotlight. So what is the best and the worst? You know, give us the best part of being, the worst part of being LaDonna Gatlin. I mean, if you say, I love that I'm LaDonna Gatlin because of this, and I could do without that, what would those be?
Well, the best part of being Gatlin is I'm the baby of the family. I'm the only girl, and I have 3 older brothers. So growing up, there were always lots of toys in the house, and that was pretty fun. Lots of good-looking, you know, football players and that kind of thing. But on a more serious note, being the baby sister of these 3
Go back!
men and brothers gave me the opportunity to learn from them. I mean, I was born into this family last as the baby. They were already performing, and it's like it kind of paved the way for me to join in with them and be a part of the group. And I'm really glad I can sing, because I think if I hadn't been able to sing, they would just, you know, kick me out of the band.
You're out of the club.
Anybody with a pickup is an asshole.
What's the matter?
People trying to drive with their cars that have no wheels turning.
And still are to me to this day. They're my heroes. The worst part, I guess, is when you say the last name is Gatlin and somebody just automatically thinks, oh no.
I got these fields at home. What is this snow? You okay, Angel?
Almost.
What's the matter? What's the matter?
Well, I have one up.
Did your head hurt? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Good. Stay okay. Oh man, he's gone. Now you get him head on. There you go. There, now you got him. Gotta hit the wheels. You're all going in the same fucking hole, huh? Get in front of each other.
Like a 16-year-old.
Yeah. You know
He's
what?
grand.
I
online at AM 1570 and 103.9 FM Branson.